What's up, YouTube? This is DEEE.CENTRAL here, and we're about to cook a Mississippi pot roast. Let's get into it. So today we are cooking Mississippi pot roast. But before we cook it, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off. I'm going to come around and I'm going to season both sides. Just a minute on both sides. It's early in the morning, so I'm going to brown both sides, and then I'm gonna put it in the crock pot on low for 8 hours. So it's something that you want to do in the morning, or something that you might want to do at night, depending on your work schedule. But it doesn't take long to cook a Mississippi pot roast, and I will show you guys how to do the rest just in a few. But what up, YouTube? We are going to prepare the potatoes and carrots portion of the Mississippi pot roast. I like organic stuff, judge your mama. But baby cut carrots, peeled, cut, ready to eat, washed. I don't trust it, so I'm gonna wash them. These are also washed and ready to use. Petite gold potatoes from Private Selection, because I do the very most, but I love it. So I'm about to cut these up because I don't like big potatoes. It's about 3 hours left. 3 hours and some change left on the pot roast. So I want to start cooking these down, because last time I did a roast, we're not gonna tell y'all what happened, but just know I want to cook these vegetables a little bit longer. What up, YouTube? I got 2 forks. Oh, this one automatic. I got 2 equal forks. And I was just pull apart the meat like such and kind of wiggle around the meat. It should pull right apart. I want to get a good angle. Can y'all see? I think so. So yeah, so I'm about to let this cook for another hour. It is complete, but we're gonna make sure it's extra special. By the time this hour passes, it should be still cooked and juicy. My potatoes are softened, my carrots are cooked the way I want them to be cooked. Yeah, so it's lit.